Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, easy to make smothered turkey wings recipe. Stay tuned. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. So here I have some paprika, garlic powder, some complete seasoning, chili powder, and black pepper. Over here I have my thyme, rosemary, a little bit of garlic, some green onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and some onion. On this side, I have my smoked turkey wings. For this recipe, I'll be using smoked turkey wings instead of raw wings, all right? I have some chicken stock. I'm just gonna use a little bit, maybe half box or something like that. I have some butter and flour. That's all you're gonna need for today's recipe. And for our cooking equipment, you're only gonna need a pressure cooker and a regular size pot. That's it, let's go. So now guys, we're gonna add our seasoning to our turkey wings. Mix it up a little bit. And then we're going to add it right into the pressure cooker. We're going to add some chicken stock to it and pressure our wings for about 30 minutes. Time to add our wings to the pressure cooker. And we're just going to add whatever remaining seasoning we have left over. Then you want to add your chicken stock. And we're going to add about half box, which is, it says, as you can see right here, it's 32 ounces, 2 pounds. So we're just going to add 16 ounces. All right. Then we're going to add our fresh herbs, you know, our onion, scallion, thyme, rosemary, and all that good stuff. Add it right in. Close it down. And like I said, we're gonna pressure for 30 minutes, guys. Yes, guys, so after, pressuring my wings, my turkey wings for about 30 minutes, this is how they looking. All right, so now we're about to make our roux, and then we're gonna add our wings right into it. All right, guys, so time to make our roux. We're gonna add some butter. And once the butter is fully melted, then we're gonna go ahead and add our flour, all-purpose flour. Time to add my flour. Stir it up. And we're just gonna stir this for about 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, then we'll add our chicken stock, our sauce from the turkey neck. Yes, guys, so after I add my chicken stock, this is what my sauce is looking like right now. So if it's too thick, just go ahead and add a little bit more. So I'm gonna add the entire juice, entire sauce, that was in the pressure cooker. And now we're gonna add our turkey wings. It's gonna be so good. Just go ahead and drop it in. Oh yeah. These are the wing tips. So after you drop your wings into the sauce, guys, you just want to cook it for about 5 more minutes, and we should be good. You also want to go ahead and rotate your wings, flip them over. Yes, guys, so we're going to serve our smothered turkey wings with some white rice and a little bit of collard greens on the side. Look at that. Ooh. Oh yeah. And then we're going to top it off with a little bit of that sauce. Like nice sauce on top. Oh my Lord. This is heaven right here. Woo. Yes, guys, it's that time. My favorite part of the video. Time for the taste test. All right, so we're gonna slice right into it. Oh my God. Wow, look at that, guys. Falling off the bone. Nice and soft. Oh my God. Oh, so good. Look how soft it is, guys. All right, I'm about to taste it. Let you know how it turns out. Wow. Oh my God. Guys, I'm telling you, this is like the best smothered turkey wings ever. You know, smoked turkey wings is definitely the way to go. You know, it's gonna add a nice little smoky flavor to it. You know, and once you add those seasoning together, oh my God, the rest is history. Not to mention, guys, the rice, you know, with the collard greens. Perfect combination. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace. So good.